Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to talk within chat on the PUBG game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the PUBG game on your device, and once the game is fully loaded, you will be taken into your homepage. Just log in using your login method, and now you will be able to choose your game right away. Now if you wish to enable chat within your gameplay, tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner, which looks like an up arrow key. Once you tap on this, go ahead and tap on settings, and now underneath settings, tap on graphics and audio. Within this page, tap on audio at the top section, and now scroll all the way down and you will see the voice chat options. Now if you wish to enable background voice chat, simply tap on the enable option, and you can also choose your microphone and speaker volume from this page. Now while you are enjoying your game, you will also find the chat options at the top section, from which you can toggle on or off your chat. You can also access chat within your gameplay lobby, where you typically wait for your game to start. And there you have it. That is how you can turn on chat in order to talk with your friends on PUBG. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.